Alright then, it's time for the opening of my new Xbox One. Had it a few days, just getting around to opening it now because yeah, I'm lazy. But yeah, I just did the PS4 opening, so let's see what the Microsoft Xbox One Launch Day Edition, Day 1 Edition has to offer. Bear with me with this opening this box. Oh Lord. Got the little tape already pre-loosened. Alright. Flip this around here. And right here on top we have the Kinect. And it's big wire. This thing is heavy. No wonder the system feels so much heavier than the PS4. There you have your Kinect sensor. Looks like a power supply. It has a fan. How awesome is that? It has a cooling fan and cooling vents, and you can apparently screw it down. And let's see, there's your connection to the unit itself. Big thick computer monitor light cord. See what else we got in here. Xbox One. Is that what I bought? We do. Okay, we got a headset. One-handed opening. Jedi Master skills. Xbox brand. At least they give you a headset. I was wondering. It's online. They don't go on sale till like later this month or start of next month. Not a bad little headset. Better than the PS4's little dangly ear 90s wireless. I like the actual headset form. Got the connection to the, let me set this down so I can open this up. They've wrapped everything in cellophane, or whatever this is, foam padding. Show you this connection. There's where it connects to your controller, USB, mute, volume, that's nice. You can mute it very easily right there. Pretty good for a headset that comes with the system. Let's see what else we got here. Let's go ahead and get to this crap. Let's see, Xbox One, quick setup guide, operation guide. You got your little instructions. You got your Xbox One. Thank you for being day one. It's a code for you were one of the first to experience a new generation of entertainment. To commemorate this moment, we've created exclusive day one achievement for you. Welcome to Xbox One. All cool. I can just scan that. It's got a little code you can enter, or you got the thing there for you can scan it with Kinect probably and get my achievement. Oh, awesome. I got a little Xbox decal. That's gangster right there. Get equipped. Yeah. Team up or challenge a friend with a second wireless controller. Recharge while you play. Or afterwards with a play and charge kit. Yes, the Xbox One still requires you to buy a freaking battery pack and charger, which they did not tell me, but luckily I saw and I got my friend to pick me up one, so I don't have to use the AA batteries or whatever they're still using. I don't get that, but at least you can remove the battery pack. But oh, cool. Get Xbox Gold multiplayer experience. 14-day trial, another code, and you know that thing. And if you're going to try to steal that thing, go for it. 14-day code's about as worth putting it in. Okay, we got another information pamphlet thing telling you all the warning things not to lick it or what have you. Here goes the controller. So I'm gonna sit this down one more time. Forgive me for all the sit downs, but working alone here. I did not prep the open, besides some tool stickers. Let's see what this control looks like. Okay, here. There she blows. Day 1, 2013. That's neat. You got your chrome or glossy D-pad. Nice analog sticks. Nice looking controller. Xbox One. There's the battery compartment. So I can try to pop that off. Look at that. Here's your battery compartment. Put your batteries. Probably just broke it. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't break it. Not yet. I'll be in a day or two when I rage out on Killer Instinct. There, that's a nice looking controller. That's pretty neat looking right there. I like how they did the buttons. And still feels Xbox sturdy. Not quite as heavy feeling as the 360 controller, but definitely still good heavy feel to it. I like that. And the PS4 did a good job this time, I think, on control. It feels a lot like an Xbox controller, more weight. And you got your two Duracell, it appears. Yeah, Duracell AA batteries, so they did not skimp. At least they gave you some batteries. Here goes an HDMI cable, a very sturdy, big, heavy-duty 80s monitor cord looking HDMI cable. I'm glad they gave you one of these. Nice quality too. And here is the power brick. We can't forget, if it's an Xbox, you get the 50-pound power brick. There's your connector for that. It looks just like the other one pretty much. Power cord that goes to the brick. Just your standard, looks like a computer. Yeah, computer hookup thing there, just nothing special. Let's get to the system here. Remove the big cardboard thing. Stick that back there. And there is your Xbox One. Or my Xbox One. It's not yours. You might wish it was, or you might hate them and just be trolling, but I have love for both consoles, or most any gaming console has its perks. So I picked up both. That's nice styrofoam, black styrofoam. I like everything's black. The box is very nice and well put together. Nice and swaggy. Let's see where I open this thing. Okay, I'm gonna sit you down one more time while I slide this sucker out. See if I can. Okay, here we go. Trying to hold this big ass thing. Okay, there we go. Xbox One. Nice little Xbox logo. Sort of like PlayStation, they both went for there's the gloss. There's the top, glossy, flat, big vent. There's your slot loading. Slot like a... Let's see what this thing says. Do not move console without first removing any disk inside. That's good to know. Let's check out over here. We got a SS, I don't know if that means solid state, or I'm not privy to this information. USB port. There goes your button of some sort. Eject button, I imagine. No? Maybe it's not a button. Okay, it's not a button. That's the side of the thing. Okay, it's my first time seeing this thing. Horrible camera work, I know, but yeah. What can you say? Security lockdown, like a laptop deal. You got your little Xbox, don't remove this or it's a void warranty hologram sticker. The box is trying to attack me. Okay, let's see. Networked cable. IR out. The connect hookup to more USB. Super speed, maybe. Like I said, I'm not sure. HDMI in from satellite cable. Another there's a SPDIF input. HDMI out to TV, and there's your power hookup. There's another big vent across half the back. And this side over here is just a vent. So there you have it. Quick look at my new Xbox One. Sorry for all the shaking and camera work, but like I said, it's hard working with one arm here. That's what she said. But okay, thank you for tuning in again, and I might do another video on its setup or something. If you want me to do a specific video on some part of it, or the PS4, or just anything you see on my videos, just give me a comment or shoot me a mail, whatever. It's hard to reply with the new Google Chrome thing taking over YouTube, but just get at me and I'll try my best to respond or put up another video. Whatever you want to see, let me know. I am Kosher Stunner, and this has been the opening of my Xbox One Day 1 edition. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to. Like, please, and thanks for watching. Till next time.